Let us know about caloric values. In nutrition and dietetics, a calorie means the amount of heat required to raise 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius. As per the Nutrition Expert Committee of ICMR in 1968, the calorie requirements are prescribed for Indian Reference Man, that is IRM, and women, Indian Reference Women, IRW. The Indian Reference Man and Indian Reference Women have following characteristics. IRM, that is Indian Reference Man. He should be 25 years of age, 1.62 square meters of body surface, 55 kilograms of body weight, and remains healthy. IRW, that is Indian Reference Women. She should be for 25 years of age, 1.4 square meters of body surface, 45 kilograms of body weight, and should remain healthy. The calorie requirement for Indian Reference Man and Indian Reference Women, depending on their nature of work, is prescribed as follows. The calorie requirement of IRM, that is Indian Reference Man, is given in the table. The calorie requirement of IRW, that is Indian Reference Women, is given in the table. This assessment is based on the requirement of IRM and IRW. It is adjusted according to age, weight, health, and working conditions. Final prescription of food is provided based on the calorie value of each item of food. Due attention is given for palatability and social food habits.